welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are making this cute little lace collar for just kind of like a work shirt. So basically, if you've got a blouse with like a plain neckline or even one that's got a Peter Pan collar already and you want to add a little bit of pizzazz to it, this is a great way to do it. So this is really easy to make. It's just a doily and some ribbon, but I'm going to show you how to make it. So if you like the video, don't forget to give that thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and here we go. So you're going to want to start by taking a length of ribbon. I chose this really pretty black one with kind of frilly edges, and basically take enough that it can tie around your neck and cut that off. If you are so inclined to singe the edges, go ahead and do that. Take your doily, fold it in half, make sure it's nice and even, and cut it in half. Lay your ribbon out. Lay your doilies out, kind of in the center. So here's my center. Up at the top of the ribbon. Right on the top like that. Take your hot glue gun. Make sure you have enough to stick it to it, but also kind of hold the edges down. Let that dry. Alright guys, so this is how it turned out. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you liked the craft. If you did, go ahead, give that video a thumbs up. Go ahead, consider subscribing, and I will see you here again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.